Markifact AI is one of the latest AI tools making waves in the digital marketing space, and if you're wondering if it's the right fit for you, stay tuned. In this review, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before diving in. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clear picture of whether Markifact AI deserves a spot in your software toolkit. First up, let's talk about what Markifact AI actually does. This software is designed to help digital marketers and businesses automate and enhance various aspects of their marketing campaigns. Whether you're managing content creation, audience targeting, or data analytics, Markifact is built to make your life easier, saving you time and energy while improving performance. Now, one of the best things about Markifact AI is its user-friendly interface. You don't have to be a tech guru to start using it effectively. Everything is laid out intuitively, so you can jump right in without feeling overwhelmed by complex setups. If you're new to AI software, Markifact AI's design makes it accessible without sacrificing functionality. Next, let's dive into its core features. Markifact AI uses powerful algorithms to optimize your ad targeting, automate content creation, and track campaign performance in real time. Whether you're running Facebook ads, Google ads, or any other digital marketing campaigns, Markifact can automatically adjust settings for better results, all based on real-time data. That's a game changer when it comes to optimizing your campaigns on the fly. One thing that really stands out with Markifact is its ability to scale with your business. Whether you're running a small campaign or handling multi-million-dollar digital marketing efforts, Markifact AI can handle it. It adapts to your needs as your business grows, providing tailored solutions that are scalable for any size operation. Another huge plus is its data analysis capabilities. Markifact AI doesn't just throw out generic recommendations, it digs deep into your data, providing actionable insights that you can use to refine your marketing strategies. You can see exactly what's working and what's not, which helps you make smarter decisions moving forward. And for those of you who care about ROI, Markifact AI has a built-in ROI tracker that helps you measure the success of your campaigns in real time. This means you'll never have to wonder if your marketing efforts are paying off. You'll have direct insights into how each dollar is being spent and what's bringing the best returns. But here's the kicker. Markifact AI offers a completely free trial, which you can access through the first link in the description below. So if you're on the fence and want to test it out before committing, you can give it a shot without any financial risk. It's a great way to experience the power of the software firsthand and see how it can improve your digital marketing efforts. Before we wrap up, I want to mention that after testing thousands of AI tools, I've rounded up my recommended ones in the description below, so make sure you check that out for even more ways to boost your marketing efforts. But for now, Markifact AI is one to seriously consider if you're looking to up your game in digital marketing. In summary, Markifact AI is an easy-to-use, powerful tool designed to optimize your campaigns, provide deep data insights, and scale with your business. It's perfect for anyone serious about digital marketing and looking to get ahead of the competition. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to check out the free trial of Markifact AI through the link below and explore my other recommended AI tools that I've tested. Trust me, after using countless AI solutions, these will save you time and effort while boosting your results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.